Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Burnjaro review, legit or scam. Today, we're reviewing Burnjaro, a weight loss supplement that claims to boost metabolism, reduce bloating, and increase energy. On the surface, it sounds promising, but is it really worth your time and money? The supplement includes ingredients like vitamin E, glucosamine sulfate, and pectin, each with health benefits, but there's a little scientific evidence showing they work together for actual weight loss. What's concerning is the marketing, aggressive ads, fake reviews, and exaggerated claims. Even on Amazon, the product has little to no genuine feedback, and a related version, Burn Harrow Max, shows mostly negative reviews, with people calling it a scam or cheap apple cider gummies. While a few users reported more energy or less bloating, the results are inconsistent at best, with questionable credibility and no strong proof behind its claim. Burn Harrow seems more like a red flag than a reliable solution. Always research carefully before trying supplements, and remember, lasting results come from healthy habits, not quick fixes. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.